My name is Yann Herrera Fuchs. I'm from La Paz, Mexico, and I've been diving for about 4 years now, although pretty inconsistently. I started diving in Mexico. I got certified in the port of Veracruz. So I started looking for opportunities to improve my skills and become a better diver, but not only that, be able to do something other than care for myself underwater. And I guess that's something that I sort of really got attached to, and that's what drove me to look for opportunities and apply for the scholarship. Probably the biggest highlight is learning about some of the things that Dan has done with small-scale fisheries and how they're working on treating injured divers with decompression sickness and illnesses. So I've learned a lot about that, and it's made me really reflect upon how important it is to dive safely. One thing that really draws my attention is understanding how not only the oceans, but also how other water systems work in different parts of the world. But I've been talking to some researchers about the conservation efforts that they've been doing in Antarctic regions, and I think that that's very, very interesting because it's such a remote area that they have a lot of challenges, especially in terms of politics and which countries do what. I think it plays a major role in our society today, so I think that's definitely something that I'm interested in. But also just like getting a first glimpse of what technology is doing for us to understand the oceans better, like remote sensing and things with like photogrammetry and understanding coral reefs a bit better, or looking at the wrecks that we have in underwater archaeology, things like that. I think that's something that I'd be really interested in targeting next. I really want to see how diving can become a tool for conservation efforts, and hopefully after my year I can go back home and really identify something in particular that I can be able to work on to help improve conservation efforts in Mexico. And I think if I can be able to do that, then it will be a really successful year.